The development has been astounding, from Click to Mike to places like the EVI in Ebervale. It's absolutely amazing how much progress has been made, and it's an absolute thrill to be part of it.
ProMo-Cymru is an organisation that I believe has the right ethics.
ProMo-Cymru is very innovative. We're quite happy to challenge the status quo of services that are being delivered now and look at better ways to be more effective in the services and to deliver better services for the people we work for.
I think all the staff are really committed to what we're trying to do, and that makes a difference as well.
Well, ProMo all began originally as a conventional co-op development association.
A number of people, including particularly John Reynolds, leading Cardiff councillor and politician, and myself and a group of other people decided that we would set up the Cardiff and Vale Development Agency.
It was quite a different animal then. We dealt with setting up cooperatives, and I was there to give specialist business advice on special needs projects.
ProMo, when I first joined, was beginnings of a project to support young people in the cultural industries to develop projects and organisations.
I think in the early days I was useful in guiding Marco through the project idea until he really got hold of it and has blossomed over the last 17 years into something that is almost unrecognisable.
Me and my friend Peter used to organise the under-18 disco called Jiggy, and Marco and ProMo helped us set it up. And then he said, write down a wish list of places that you would love to do an event, but you'd never get it. We've named a few places, but two places that we did do was the City Hall, and the other one was the ice skating rink. And then with Marco's help, yeah, with all them wish list places, we managed to do events in all of them. I remember.
We would have awards ceremonies in the Coal Exchange building in Mount Stuart Square, and to see all those, the variety of performers on the stage, they were working with us to develop not just their art, but their business acumen around that art.
The Girls in Pixel Awards, I was working for Cardiff Council as a project manager for the cultural programme, and Girls in Pixels was one of the events. It was a great success, and what was novel and great about it from my perspective is that it wasn't dominated by the older folk, the more established folk. It was young people, and I think that was ProMo-Cymru's strength in that.
And then of course the other big turning point was winning the Click contract. ProMo has changed in that it has moved into developing a different range of services, developing websites for local authorities throughout Wales, 22 local authorities, to enable young people to express themselves and gain information via the internet.
No, it was just a great opportunity to kind of get into journalism and having your say and the opportunities to write. You could start a blog, but then nobody would read the blog, or you could get involved in this kind of community of writers that was the Sprout. And yeah, so I thought I'd jump on board that. I feel very proud. It's great. I think it's a testament to ProMo-Cymru that somebody who came along as a young person, as a volunteer, could eventually work their way up.
Mike, 24-hour helpline. Who would have thought that we'd be doing that?
I often think about Mike's service is always open. You can wake up 4 in the morning and you know there's someone a young person could ring.
The building itself has gone through many phases in its life. I mean, the first part of its life was a scientific and literary institution created through the iron and steel industry. And then in somewhere around 2007, the building itself was closed by the Borough Council. There were two plans for it. One was demolition, which for the oldest institute in Wales would have been an absolute disaster. But then the other plan was to turn it into flats. and thankfully Promo saw more in the building than that.
It was quite a big risk, but at the same time we could really see what it could be, and that was something as I said, it's taken us back to the roots that we started from, and it was quite an undertaking, but that's been quite exciting to be part of that.
People in Promo are very good at spotting opportunities.
We were approached by some local artists, the Modern Alchemists, and they came to us with this building they'd found in town. It was a huge space, not being used by the council, and they wanted to take it over and change it into a massive art gallery with events. We're really trying to use their passion and their drive to actually make the project work.
A great idea.
Can I say young at heart as a word, meaning youthfulness really, you know, young at heart, creativity, enthusiasm.
I would describe Promo in 3 words as supportive, dynamic and young.
Cooperation, communication, coming together to make Cardiff a better place, and South Wales a better place, and Wales a better place.
Real, innovative and bold.
1 word, brilliant.
I'm looking over to my right where there is a slogan that we used to use, and it's called "Make It Happen."